Hi everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to part 2 class of payroll management. So this is from Cadence Skill Development Center. So yesterday's video, I'll give the link in the description. It is all about payroll management, how to create employees and salary details, paid, everything I have shown in that particular video. So in this video, I'll be showing how to create payslip and attendance management. So after creating all those things, I'll just give you a glance. Go alter. In that I have created a category. Primary cost category is a default category. On that I have created admin category 1. Then I have grouped the thing. See, under primary cost category I have grouped manager, admin, under that mine admin. Like this I have created employees Madhusudan and Nandini. Then after that units is nothing but days, hours, month and month of 30 days. Then we have attendance, present, absent and overtime. Okay, paids, all the 5 paids we have done. Then salary, we have defined the salary, how much for the Madhusudan and how much to Nandini. That is done. Then directly go to vouchers. You need to give the attendance. See what and who are all in our company, under which category, under which group, what and all the salary they have to earn, what all the basic like paids we have, everything we have defined. The thing is, we have to give the attendance and we have to pay them the pay slip. So first, how to do attendance? Directly go to Gateway of Tally vouchers. We have an option called other vouchers, F10. Click there or else give F10. We have attendance here. Under payroll vouchers we have attendance. Enter. Give the attendance. For example, Madhusudan present 25 days, whatever the days that he is present. Then we have Nandini present for how many days we have to give. Then enter. Accept. Okay, after doing attendance, this is how many days they are present we have shown, based on which we have to give the payment. No, go control F4. Control F4 is to payroll. Here we have control F to autofill. We are not supposed to calculate the amount and pay them the salary. We can do autofill because we have already defined and how many days they are present, everything we have shown clearly. No need to calculate again, just give autofill. Control F is the shortcut key. How to do? Go transaction, in that we have vouchers. Control F4 for payroll, cash and control F to autofill, cash and control F. Payroll vouchers, salary from 1/4 to 1/5, that is month of 30 days. Primary cost category, under which we have Madhusudan. It is nothing but employee name, cash. This amount it should come by itself, that is the autofill thing. Then again cash, again control F to another employee, payroll autofill, salary from 1/4 to 1/5. Okay, under admin we have Nandini, employee name, cash. See, this amount is for Nandini payslip. To see the payslip, we have to go to display more reports, under which we have payroll reports. Okay, here we have payslip. See, I need to see primary cost category Madhusudan's payslip. Here you will get the payslip of Madhusudan. See, the employee name, function, what and all we filled under employee details, that will come here. And the earnings of the employees, gross and net after deduction. This is all deduction, under which we have PF. This is the total earnings, this is the take home amount. This will come, net amount will come here. Okay, so like this, if you want to see Nandini's payslip, go admin. In that we have Nandini. You will get the Nandini's details, earnings and deductions. If you want to see the attendance details, change the period. Give F2 1/4 to 1/5. What happens? It will come with attendance. The payslip will get generated along with attendance also. To take this printout, give Control P. First see the preview here. See, like this it will come. Payslip generation of Nandini for the month and what all the deductions, earnings, everything will get into a picture. So this thing you can even take as a print and you can give it to employees as a payslip for their reference. Okay, so this is all about payslip. It is very easy, simple in the Tally Prime. Okay, so for more videos, do subscribe our Cadence YouTube channel and press bell icon for more notification. Thank you for watching.